Hello, my name is Eric Withers. I teach AP Physics here at Gettysburg High School with Mr. Godag. We co-teach the class. He teaches the AP Calc portion. When I started teaching my first year, I came in with the naive notion that all the students that I had were going to leave my room loving physics as much as I did. They were all going to run off to college and become engineers and little physicists, and that notion got dashed on the rocks when I found that students had other ideas. They had their own minds and they wanted to do their own thing. I really was in conflict then as to what was my job. If I'm teaching physics, then really what am I here to do? And I settled upon the concept of problem solving. No matter what you do in your career, what they'll end up doing in their careers, problem solving is central. And what I do is I teach problem solving through physics. We integrate physics and calculus and build a toolbox of mathematical constructs for students to take and apply to the physical world. At the beginning of the school year, we might take two simple objects, a spring and a mass, and we might start the beginning of the school year just by talking simply about how when the mass is allowed to act on the spring, that it stretches the spring from its natural position, and we're interested in the properties of the spring and the properties of the mass and how they interact. Later in the school year, after we've developed more mathematics and more understanding, we'll actually take the same setup, the same springs that the students worked with before, we'll take the spring and we'll set it into oscillation. The oscillation now adds a whole new layer to this problem. Something that we found very simple before can become quite complex. And our goal here is to use our problem-solving skills and techniques to describe the motion of a moving object. To take the information that they have, organize it, synthesize it, and to come up with a solution. The goal here is, yes, to learn physics and to understand the workings of the physical world, but as I see it, to push beyond that and to take our problem-solving techniques and skills that they learn in this class and apply that to other courses, their college majors, and eventually, hopefully, their careers. I think this is my role as a physics teacher here at Gettysburg High School.